Hi guys, sorry I look a mess because I got no makeup on. But today we're going to be doing a slime tutorial. This is our first time doing slime, and we went to the dollar store and we got some goodies that we're going to be trying on. And we got some cheap ingredients just because, you know, we're experimenting. We don't know if we can even accomplish it yet. So, what do we get?
We have shaving cream.
Put it on here.
We have shaving cream.
We got these little glue, like glitter glues.
And we have these little 5 plates, and it has covers.
Yeah, it's bowls with covers. So, you know, we on a budget. We also have some beads here. We're going to be trying to attempt to make crunchy slime. We also have glue right here, just some regular glue. And lastly,
we have some forks to mix it with.
Yes. So let's get started.
Oh, and we also have what's this thing?
What?
Paint.
Oh yeah, we also have
Have
paint
paint.
from like my sister. We're just gonna be using this paint. And we got borax, and oh, we put in warm water, and we kind of like estimated how much to put in, but like yeah.
Yeah. We kind of use a measuring cup. Let's get started.
Yes. So we're gonna be. Which one do you want to start off on first?
Okay.
I think we should start off with glitter. So what glitter do you want to start with?
What glitter should we start with?
Whatever one you want to start. What color? You do one color, I'll do another one.
I'll do red.
And I'll do silver.
Okay, guys. We're gonna get started. Get into the
Give me
video.
the hat. Get the lid.
We can see that it has glitter.
Yeah, you could go closer. It
Yes,
says glitter glue.
It says glitter glue. On hers, we
Glitter
can
glue.
see it. Gonna be using
Like the ASMR.
this glitter is red, as you can see. So like this is like,
Oh, then it's clear, you know, so y'all can see it.
yeah. We're gonna be showing you as we go, and we're gonna be telling you.
And these forks is just from like, you know, when you go to like a fast food restaurant.
Yeah, like
something.
Taco Bell. We got from Taco Bell.
No, don't say that. We just got it from like a food place that we just had. So firstly, we're gonna unscrew the top.
I was about to
Do you want to come closer? Stand up. Okay, sit down.
Okay.
Because
Now,
it's like mad far.
you guys can see inside closely. Okay, so now we're gonna be starting. What's this? Like
Okay, so
pour all of it. Or no?
pour all of it. Oh my gosh, you guys, it looks so pretty.
Look how pretty it looks.
You gotta make sure to get it all out.
Yeah. Make sure you squeeze it all out so you can see how this works. Okay. If you're me, it's gonna be hard.
Watch it, make sure to get it in.
I am making sure it's getting in. You guys can see. Mine's is like a bright color. It's really bright. Okay. I didn't really get all of it out, but
That's okay. Wait, cover it back up. Because you know.
we're not messy.
Next, oh my god, guys, if you guys like
See it?
how pretty this looks.
Yeah, like if you see how pretty mine looks too.
Show it close up.
It looks so cute.
So next we're gonna be I'm gonna be handling the borax because you guys, when you use borax, make sure a super, make sure adult vision is by. I'm not really an adult, but I'm more mature. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't need it.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna do like a tablespoon of water. That might have been too much.
But now we're gonna mix it. This is really coming out really cute.
Oh no. I don't think it's working.
Yeah, me either. Look.
Guys, it's already a fail. Go get the borax, Jada.
Guys, you can see. It's probably gonna be a fail.
We probably need more borax, like a stronger borax.
You guys, we have some borax. I'm gonna mix this a little.
And literally, we're not even like.
It smells like you can eat it.
What are you talking about? Like.
It smells like when something you eat. It's like something you eat, okay.
Come give me yours. Guys, I'm kind of like upset.
That's
Right.
how it's working.
Yeah, and then we just wasted it. That's like a no.
Oh, it's getting a little thick now.
You see? Girl, it ain't getting thick nowhere.
No, it feels like it's thick.
Okay.
Well, not really.
I'm gonna pour a lot of freaking borax in here, like.
Yeah, like, really? Ooh.
I might have poured a little bit much. Your toe. I'm weak. I'm weak.
I just felt like okay.
Is this real life like not working?
I know.
Guys, that just really made me upset because it's like.
It's not working. This is a total fail.
And even though it might have been $1 for this slime, I mean, for this glue, like it's money is money, and I could have used that towards something else, or gave
It was
it,
basically not $1 because
or
it's
giving it away to someone. You know what I'm saying?
It's not basically $1 because
But hey, we do this experiment, see what works, see what doesn't
that's
work.
what scientists do, and we're basically putting words in it.
Yeah, hold on. Let me just.
This looks like it's coming out to slime.
Girl, where? This thing is not moving.
Well,
It's getting like. It's,
next time we have some more things.
we're
we can
gonna
try.
try this out and get back to you so we can save some space. Oh, Jada, I know.
Bye.
I'm gonna stop.